Hello friends, my name is Dhruv Panchal and today we are going to learn how to draw a 3D model in AutoCAD software. So you have to select 3D modeling workspace from quick access toolbar. After that, type units command and press enter and select units and precision as per the requirement of your drawing and press OK. Now you can see only X and Y axis over here. So to see all the axes X, Y and Z, click on the view and select SE isometric view. Now all the X, Y and Z axes are visible to us. Now I want to draw a 3D model for this drawing. So select line command, keep the ortho mode on and select any starting point and give the dimension of that line, which is 25 millimeters. Now from that line give the height, which is also 25 millimeters. Now give the direction and give the length of the line, which is 40 millimeters. As you can see from the drawing, again give the direction and give the height of the line, which is 25 millimeters. Now give the direction and give the length of the line, which is 40 millimeters. Again give the direction and give the length of the line, which is 20 millimeters. Now again give the direction and length of the line, which is 25 millimeters, and connect the end points of the lines. So we have a 2D drawing. Now select this drawing and using join command convert it into the single entity. Now we can use a extrude command. Select the drawing and press extrude command and give the dimension, which is 50 millimeters. Now visual style, in visual style we have selected 2D wireframe. So to see the 3D view, select conceptual view. Now we can see the 3D view of our object. Now let us generate this hole. To generate this hole, we have to change the XY direction. For that, in coordinates select top. Now we are ready to draw a circle. So use circle command, keep the object snap mode on and select the midpoint and give the radius of the circle, which is 15 millimeters. Press enter. Now again select the line command and draw a line like this way, and with the help of trim command remove the half portion of the circle. Now we can use a press pull command to remove the material. So click on the press pull and select the region and give the direction toward the downward direction. So material will be removed from the object. Okay. Now drawing is also available. So select the drawing and press delete. Now we will generate a wedge section. For that, use line command. Select the midpoint. Give the dimension, which is 20 millimeters. Again select the line command. From this point, draw a vertical line and connect these two endpoints. Now select the 2D drawing and enter the join command. Now it is a single entity. Use press pull command. As we can see, total width is 10 millimeters and we have drawn this drawing at the midpoint. So we can press pull 5 millimeters on the both side of the drawing. Okay, select the 3D orbit, rotate it, and again use the press pull command. Select this region and enter 5 value and press enter. Orbit command, rotate the object and select this drawing and press delete. Okay, now as you can see, the total height is 30 millimeters and the radius of this circle is 25. So remaining gap will be 5 millimeters. So let us use rectangle command. For that, before that, we have to change the coordinate. So select the right hand side. Now XY is changed. Now we can draw. Use rectangle command. Select this endpoint. Give width 50 millimeters and height 5 millimeters and press enter. Now select the circle command. Select the midpoint and draw a circle having 25 millimeter radius. Again select circle command, select the midpoint of the line and enter the value of radius which is 15 millimeters and press enter. Now we will rotate this object using orbit command and using trim command remove the unnecessary drawing. Use trim command. Press escape. Now drawing is ready. We have to join this all drawing. So select all the drawing and type join command and press enter. Now use extrude command and extrude this up to certain dimension. Again use extrude command and select the outer circle and extrude it up to 15 millimeters. Now we will use Boolean operations in which select the subtract. Now select the object which you have to keep, press enter and select the object which you want to remove and press enter. So you can see our object is ready, but still these objects are separate. So again we have to perform a Boolean operation. Let us use union and select the objects one by one and press enter. Now our object is ready, as you can see here, as per the drawing. I hope you understood it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box. Thank you.